right?
Yeah. Watch the door, watch the door, watch the door. So I can drive that. What's that? I know. You know where he had Omar went in there looking for the keys. You know where the keys were? In Ben's pocket.
Oh. James, you're thinking about the car, James.
What do I think about it?
Yeah.
It's the best option we have to have fun with so far.
Bro, that is I'm speechless. So I already called my wife and told her I bought it. She's freaking the out.
Like pissed.
Bro, she told me that I better not show up at home with that car.
She's
Oh, what is he doing?
about to scrape the front of it. Woo!
Oh,
That was
so
close.
close.
Yeah. Here, we gotta push him up a little bit.
Did you start it?
No, no, we're gonna try.
Is it electric or what?
It's Tesla swapped. That's the hot thing to do now. All this classics at SEMA, Tesla swapped. Watch the door, watch the door, watch the door.
Trans Am electric.
Yeah,
The only thing I hate about this car is everything's so fucking heavy on it.
Yeah.
The doors.
All metal. And
That should be for the trans, this should be for... You got it.
that's not that's the motor oil?
Yeah, this is the trans.
Huh.
Right?
Yep.
That's trans.
Oh
We need to
shit,
clean it.
that bitch is clean.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like brand new. Oh, it's all, wait, that's metal on it though at the bottom.
No, chill.
No, that's metal.
Not chill, straight up.
No, seriously.
That's not metal, bro.
Oh, that just came off the
Yeah.
that's
Bro,
leaf.
chill out, cause it...
Hey, I'm just making
He
sure.
said, chill out.
Here, hey, clean this one too.
Hey, I'm just making sure we're good.
I know,
Oh,
it's too early.
It's a
David.
fancy dipstick.
Check this out, bro.
So you want 10 for
My
it?
whole life of looking for old schools, I've never came across one of these.
So you want 10 for it?
No. You gonna go the old way with it? Gold and black, keep it the same?
No.
No?
White.
No. I don't know. And yellow. And yellow. What I really
Why,
want,
Omar?
if I
Omar?
could, I would do it all white with the blue, but that's too much changing. So f it, all black. I don't know about the vinyl, whatever.
You gotta put the ego in.
I have to. I have to put the gold in too. Yeah. That's what.
Watching for fuel
Ready?
leaks. I don't know. Yes,
Ready?
now I am. Hey, don't. Hey, just put it in ignition for a second. Make sure there's not fuel. I wish I did.
Bro, look at the interior, bro.
You got lights?
Bro, what?
All right.
Ready?
Bro.
I think so.
Here, wait.
Hey, don't give it any gas yet. Just let it.
Do we have any gas? Or starter?
Hey, it got it. It got gas.
You got starter fluid? Oh. No, mom, man.
Hey, don't give it gas yet. Just let it cycle a little bit.
Hold on. I think the fuel pump is.
Hold it.
Yeah. I just flipped the switch. Everything's on now.
We hope.
Boom! Looks like a crank, right?
Hey, don't give it gas. Don't give it gas.
Sure?
Yeah, just let it cycle for a little.
Get the little starter, let it turns on, and then.
Now try. Now give it like a little.
I mean, the gas gauge is up.
Yeah, it doesn't mean you have pressure though. It's been sitting for 2+ years, so it might just take a second.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sure?
Well, hey, the fact that it turns over is huge, regardless of whether it starts or not. It's not locked up. Hey, they're gonna switch it. You gonna switch it?
Oh, sí, de verdad.
Ay, güey.
Is he going to get it out of the white truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna siphon gas out of it?
No,
No,
there's like
start
Christian and him just left starter fluid out at the white truck. That definitely is helping the situation, Junior.
Bro, that whole terminal's broke.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Why are you scared of
No, I
the
backed up.
backfire?
Because it comes out. That's what it means.
It's okay. Go.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, you got a beer.
Go.
You got a beer. He's good. One more time.
Hey. Yeah, Ben.
It's leaking off.
You're dripping everywhere. I don't think it's getting. Yeah, I don't think it's getting fuel.
Yeah, I don't think it's shooting. Do you see it shooting yet? I don't think we have fuel.
Yeah, you have to put your face over it.
Hit it, hit it.
Yeah. Hey, you're not getting gas. I wouldn't be surprised if it's just the carb, honestly. It's been sitting for so long.
That's the thing, though. Anything with fuel in it turns into varnish.
Yeah.
Go, fuel tank, run all the way. Where's the gas can? I think it might be the pump.
I mean, it could be a bunch of stuff from the pump.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try this. If this doesn't work,
Yeah,
I'll just be here all night.
about to run to Summit to buy a carb rebuild kit.
I'll pull up in the morning. There's gonna be Amazon
Packages everywhere.
I don't know what it was. I ordered everything.
You're definitely gonna start something back here.
What happened? Something got caught up.
Yeah.
Do we have a funnel? Well, I'm doing this wrong.
It's an old school one. Oh no.
Man, you're supposed to help me out here?
Traigo una botella de agua.
Trae un cono, güey.
Ahí lo trae este güey.
Damn, bro.
¿Qué traigo una botella de agua ahorita?
¿Para qué?
Con la tapadera.
This is not safe.
Not me.
¿Qué pasó?
We have.
¿Se la aturó?
There you go.
Maybe we should pull this out or what?
Did you get 87 or 93?
93.
Come on, James.
I'm just asking questions.
You're thirsty, aren't you, baby?
He's already started talking to it like it's his secret lover. Sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled programming. This is James from the future. Just reminding you that we're giving away $3,333 cash. No strings attached, no purchase necessary. Just a good, honest giveaway. Enter code CC Discord, no space, all caps, CC Discord. That's because we now have a Discord channel, and you get points for joining it. We have quite a few people in there already, just chatting, hanging out, getting some extra codes that we drop in there. So make sure to go enter. Also join the Discord and enjoy the video.
Nice. It's good enough. Yeah. Thirsty, huh, sweetie? So should we like move it away from the gas scoop?
I mean, the fire's up here.
What? What do you think?
I'll turn it back here.
The problem is if something happens.
Just hop in his truck real quick if something lights on fire.
Where's the fire extinguisher? That one. Get that one. Just in case. You want to push forward?
The windows are now clean.
Lights are on.
Lights are on. Well, if you're not getting fuel, the best you're gonna get is throwing fuel down in it through a water bottle.
Nah, it's still dry.
Now, I think the question we're gonna have is there a kill switch? Is there a kill switch to the fuel, or is it gonna be just a faulty fuel pump?
And usually just
Fire faulty fuel pump.
Yeah.
The only way you're really gonna know, take one side off.
Let's see if it's
This side, just take it right here and crank it and see if it comes out.
Yeah.
But
if that works, if you do have fuel there, then you check the carb.
Yeah. Sucks.
You say it sucks, but the fact that it turned over at all is a really good sign.
No, I know.
man, try to start with fuel.
Yeah. I think Ben was working on the temporary solution. How's your fuel injector coming along?
All right, you ready, Cup?
We need more power. We don't have power.
Go.
Ben,
Go.
we don't have power.
Ah. Yeah.
Where?
From right there. It's a lot.
Oh yeah.
We gotta replace holes.
Yeah, that sure is leaking.
Dang.
All right, cool.
It runs. So we'll start on something.
Well, hey, there's a lot of gas sprayed.
Now it might start right away because now
Hey,
this is
there's
engaged.
a lot of gas sprayed at the engine.
Get it.
Just start it.
Yeah, we good now.
It's right here. So we know what it is now. All right, bet.
Ah, I bet. You happy as
Yeah, Vinci, we need to get one of those hoses mañana, bro.
Alright, I got you.
Hey, order it now. That's what he's saying.
Please.
Hey, there's a wasp.
What you mean?
A wasp just flew out of it.
This just come with a wasp?
Look, yeah, look at him.
Bro, chill.
That's a murder hornet.
He's about to dive bomb
Hey,
you with
by the
that
way,
light.
this... That's it, let's send her. That mother bad, bro.
Until the next
That
episode.
mother bad. I like this a lot. We're playing put Cowboys customs. Look at it.
Evidence.
Look what date.
Oh, dang.
It's been recovered for 2 years now. That's wild. You know what? We got a running one.
Evidence tag. Won't show you the sensitive details.